Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGMClassicCars.com here in Addison, Illinois. And today I have the pleasure of this 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS Canadian build sheet. Big block, it's a crate big block 454, turbo hydromatic 400 trans, posi unit in the back, 12 bolts, rear end. Nice, beautiful frame-off restoration that's been completed this year, 2022. As you can see, Tuxedo Black, white rally stripes, black vinyl top, beautiful chrome on the car, all the trim, glass, weather stripping, Magnum SS wheels, hood pins, mirrors. All the verticals are done in the weather stripping, all new chrome handles, brand new Cooper Cobra tires in the back. Just a gorgeous new 2022 frame-off restoration that is ready for sale. Correct exhaust tips for a 70 model. We still have to put the car through our detail department just to do all the little nicks and crannies, get everything dialed in perfectly as we like to do so. Beautiful original stance on the car, power steering, front power disc brakes. Underneath is brand new. Please refer to my photos. Interior is by Legendary Interior, and it's all brand new. As you can see, the SS gauges. Now, keep in mind, this is an original SS car with a Canadian build sheet. Aftermarket triple gauges there on the bottom. The car still shows its original AM radio. We are installing a Bluetooth radio on this car. We're gonna add the kick panel speakers, and we're also gonna add two 6x9s in the package tray. The headliner was installed, but we are redoing it just to get all those little creases out there. And we're gonna tighten up the headliner and get that dome light bulb in there to function. All the glass, like I said, is beautiful on the car. This particular Chevelle was a Code 10, which is a white color. And when it was restored in its beautiful Tuxedo Black paint with the white rally stripes. Original sheet metal on the car, guys. All the quarters are original to the car. There's still factory stampings on the quarters with no patching whatsoever. Let me show you that. If you can see it, there are the factory GM numbers still stamped right under the black paint. And all in here is all original sheet metal to this car. Look at under the package tray. Look how clean that is. Same on the passenger side as well. The numbers are engraved right there under the paint. And again, all original sheet metal. New gas tank, 12 bolt in the back. New gas tank, new brake lines, new fuel lines. The frame was removed from the car and it was blasted and repainted in a Port 15 chemical. So it looks all brand new. All the door lips are all original to the car. Like I said, SS setup on the inside. Beautiful door sill plates, brand new carpet, seat belts, all intact there. And all the trim, really, really nice on the Chevelle. Has less than 500 miles on the entire frame-off restoration. I'm gonna start the car. I want you guys to hear it, and then I'll pop the hood. Nice and easy. Factory bore and stroke on the motor. I can sit here and listen to this thing all day long. So this is a crate 454, 4-bolt main, poly 4-barrel carb, electric choke, aluminum intake, newer battery, alternator, motor, power steering, front power disc brakes. The inner fenders were painted black. And the firewall has been smoothed out. Very clean core support as well. Under the hood has been painted. It does have headers. We're planning to powder coat them, but we're not sure yet, so to each their own. There you have it. All right. So a couple other things about the Chevelle. All right, turn signals all work, headlights all work, brake lights all work. We are adding the auto sound Bluetooth radio to the car. It is a heater delete on the car, so it's only driven on nice days. Horn, we will get that to work. Right now it's inoperable, but we will get the wiring for that. The tire pressure is all good on the car on all four. And then we went through and put fresh oil in it, coolant, brake fluid, power steering fluid, and tranny fluid. Speedo functions, temp gauge, oil gauge, fuel gauge. There is a spare tire in the trunk. And like I said, on the interior, all we gotta do is fix the dome lights, put a bulb in it for finishing touches. The body on the car shows 94,087 original miles, believed to be original. Hard to believe if it was 194,000, but anyway, it's all brand new with less than 500 miles on the fresh frame-off restoration for 2022 when it was completed. And we were very, very lucky enough to get this car out of the guy's Kung Fu grip. We bought the car from the actual builder. We did not build this specific vehicle. And we're very happy that we were able to buy it from him. And he's gonna build us another one. But for now, this one is available. Now, for financing through mgmclassiccars.com, listen to what I have to say for financing. If your credit score, and again, if your credit score is between, let's see, if your credit score is between 620 and, let's see, between 620 and 739, you will need 10% down on this car, okay? You will definitely need 10% down. No prepayment penalty. Rates are between 5 to 6%. It really depends on your credit. So that's, my terms are for qualified buyers, so we'll have to run your credit and figure that out. So for that criteria, credit score between 620 to 739, you will need 10% down. Go to mgmclassiccars.com to fill out the credit application. For my customers who are 740 and higher under credit score, you will need no money down, though you could put money down, but you don't need money down, for an unsecured loan up to an 84-month term for this car. You will need a credit score of 740, so go at least. So go to my direct lender's website at lightstream.com, fill out the credit application. They'll get back to you in 1 business day, okay? For those of you who do not need financing, call me, text me. I'm gonna leave my number at the end of the video. I just need your zip code and I will get you a quote for enclosed carrier only. This car's not going on an open carrier. I don't care if you pay for it and say, I want it on an open carrier. I'm not shipping it on an open carrier. You can come get it yourself. I will only ship this car in an enclosed carrier. The car deserves it, and that's what it's gonna get. I'll leave my phone number at the end of the video as well. Speaking of video, if you're watching this on YouTube, subscribe to my channel. Go to YouTube, punch up MGM Classic Cars, Addison, Illinois, and click the red button, subscribe button. I got some cool stuff coming tomorrow. Couple right here. Anyway, yeah, I got some cool stuff coming tomorrow. If you're watching on Facebook, like it, share it to all your friends. Keep the muscle car stuff going, man. This stuff is increasing in value. There's such good investments, especially a 70 Chevelle, the American muscle car with a Canadian build sheet. I'm gonna say it again. It's not the original motor to the car, okay? It's a replacement crate 454. There's nothing better. Okay, yeah, so look at the values on these things. I mean, look what they were 5 years ago and look what they are today. They're great investments. Invest your money. Treat yourself to something nice. Enjoy your life. Have fun. It's a tangible asset. It's money in the bank plus. It'll make more money you having this car in your garage than the money in your Chase account, Bank of America account, whatever account, credit union account. It doesn't matter. You know it, I know it. Make the move. Own it. We live once. We live once, people. As more older we're getting, the more we realize we live once. Okay, so that's all that. I think I said all the information. If you want to take advantage of our driveway delivery, I will need your zip code to send you a quote. Again, enclosed only. That's all I'm doing for this particular car. So my number is 847-848-1850. I prefer text message. I will get back to you quicker with text message. For those of you who do not text message, that's fine. Call me, leave a message if I don't answer. And if I don't answer, I'm usually on the phone with a customer or doing a video and doing photo shoots here at MGM Classics. So feel free. Again, my number is 847-848-1850. My name's Thomas. Thank you for spending your time with me here at MGMClassicCars.com. Talk soon. Bam!